Hello, guys. Happy New Year 2018. Today is the first day of the year, which is Tuesday, 2nd of January 2018. Now, I got an email from my students. He sent me an email and he asked me to give a suggestion about his trade, and this I do always in the golden subscription that I have. Okay, so all my students, whenever is a student will send me his trade, or he has question, I make videos for him and I upload to the golden subscription, and all the people will join to see the trade and to see what I say about this trade. Okay, let's go to his email and check. For privacy, I will not show the name of the person or his email. Okay, this is a privacy thing. I will show just his email, and let's see. So what does he says? He says, "Hey sir, I was in a trade for 47 days, and I gained 70% profit, which is 1880. So it seems here that he has a small account, as you can see. So 70% is 1800. So it looks like $2,500 or something, or more or less. And below are the details. I have got exit today due to the fluctuation around 1540. Please share your suggestion. Is that stop loss at 1540 normal, or did I put the tight stop loss?" Okay, this trade I will show it to you very big right now. I'm just showing you what he has. So he has a lot of trades here. So I will not show you all his trades, because he has sent me a screenshot, and it seems that he has a lot of as always, as all of my students. When we trade, we have a few or more trades at the same time. Okay, so this is just a question. He stays 47 days. It's like 1 month and a half, and he got 70% in this trade. This is what we are looking for. We are looking for high percentage trades. Now, you will never know how long or how much money you make in a trade until you exit the trade, and then you see the percentage, and then you see the time. That's why I ask you always, when you are following a trend, never expect anything from the trend until you exit the trade. But when following the trend and you see an accumulation of profits, okay, at that time you should make sure you put the exit point, okay, under the price. So it's not above the price. It's not don't fix your profits, okay. And whenever things bad happen in the market and there is a sell off or there's something, you will be one of the first to exit this trade, because there is a trouble. Okay, so let's go to the chart and show you more. Okay, so this is the trade he has done. It's a very excellent. I'm not saying it is rare, but there are some stocks that are so good, and this is what we are looking for. Stocks that go smoothly with not fluctuation at all. It's a very small fluctuation. But today, which is a second, that's why today here you can see the 2nd of January 2018, we see that there is like a big sell-off. But the thing is, this is short selling. It means from the morning they have been short selling this stock, but because there is a power of a buying power, the short sellers get defeated. At first they will put the stock down, And as you can see, this is small here tick or tail that you see here at the end of this red candlestick, it is so long because it takes from 1780, the high, to 1442. Okay, so it's $3 and nearly $3.38. $3 this thing. So the guy or my student has exit here at 1540. Let's see where he exactly said. Okay, this is where he exit. So in the morning, short sellers were short selling the stock. It goes down, it hit his stop loss, he exit the stock, then it goes down and down and down, $1 more, and then it goes up until the end of the day. Okay, so this is a very troubled day, and he exit with 70%. Now, the main thing that you should always protect your profits. This is, I always say to my students, always try to protect your profits, because this is how to follow the trend. Because if you leave it, let's say the stock has gone down too much, okay, like $10, $15, or $8, or whatever, it can take all your profits and it goes to your principal and eats some of it. Don't say in your let's say in your thinking that, oh no, the stock will never go there. No, the stock can go everywhere you think, and it can stay there, because this stock, it seems to me that there is a big power of buyer, what we call buying power. So I think that this trend will continue in the future. So this is just a suggestion, okay? It doesn't mean that the stock will go up again. But because of the buying power, it seems that still this trend has strength, okay? So, as I told you, this is what we are looking for. We are looking for stocks that trend well. It doesn't mean we don't focus on the time, because the time, let's say if you stay 1 month, or you stay 2 months or 6 months, it doesn't mean that when you stay more, you will get more. This is not true. You can stay 1 week and you make more than someone who stays two months in another stock. Okay? So the profits is the one, when you exit the trade, it shows you how fast the stock is or was doing during this time. So time is good to wait, to follow the trend until the trend stops, or giving no sign of future growth. Okay, that's when the trend dries up. When the trend dries up, it's high time to exit the trade and find another stock, because we just date the stock and we don't manage the stock. This is, you should understand in your mind. We are not investors. What does it mean? It means we are not staying 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years in a stock. This is investing. If you want to invest in a stock, you should know the company, you should know competition, you should know a lot of stuff about the company. But for us, you don't need. And that's why swing trading is so good. It is just a simple game. Okay? A simple game. You buy a stock, if it goes up, you hold. If it goes down, you exit with a stop loss. That's it. But all this, what I'm asking you is how to search, how to put stop loss, how to follow the trend, how to manage your account. These are techniques and skills you should acquire. When you acquire, everything will be easy for you, and you don't need to be like a day trader, always in your screen 4 hours each day, and you see the fluctuation of the day. You will be out of these fluctuations. You'll be above these fluctuations, okay? Because you put a good stop loss and you will stay in the trade as much as you can. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you are interested to see more of these live trades, because for me, when I put this trade here for my students, I put it in my golden subscription, and I explain more, and I will show where the guy has bought the stock, and what are the criteria that we use for my guys, just to make sure we are practicing, always practicing. And all my subscribers sending me questions about whatever thing in the stock market, especially in stocks, in swing trading, and I will be happy to help as usual. Thank you very much and have a nice day.